With an investment discipline and adequate life insurance coverage, all your dreams can become a reality. These two can act as a cushion and eliminate the fear of uncertainty. Will ABSLI Assured Savings Plan create a cushion and fulfill all your dreams? What are the calculated returns of this policy in the long run? In this video, let us analyze the product and we will try to answer all your questions. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ABSLI Assured Savings Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. In this video, let us analyze the features, maturity benefit, death benefit, advantages and disadvantages of ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. Let us also calculate the returns for this policy and compare it with other investment return. First, features of ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. It has a choice of various premium paying terms, policy terms, and sum assured multiples to suit your requirements. It provides comprehensive risk cover in case of death of life insured. Lump sum benefits to cater to your life's milestone. Loyalty additions are added to your policy to boost your maturity corpus. Flexibility to cover your spouse by choosing joint life protection. Get higher maturity benefits with higher premium paying policies. Next, we shall look at the benefits under ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. Death benefit. In the event of death of life insured during the policy term, provided the policy is in force, the death benefit will be payable to the nominee. If the death of the life insured happens anytime up to the 25th policy year, then sum assured on death plus accrued royalty additions if any is payable. If death of the life insured happens anytime after 25th policy year, then higher of sum assured on death or guaranteed maturity benefit plus accrued loyalty additions if any is payable. Here for single pay policies, sum assured is as such. For limited pay policies, the sum assured is higher of 150% of the total premiums paid up to the date of death or sum assured. Next is joint life protection. This option is available only for limited pay policies. The coverage for the second life insured will be equal to 20% of sum assured of the primary life insured. In case of death of primary life insured prior to the death of secondary life insured, the sum assured on death will be paid to the secondary life insured as a lump sum, and all the future due installment premiums, if any, under the policy will be waived. On the subsequent death of the secondary life insured before the maturity date, the sum assured on death will be paid to the nominee. The policy will continue to be in force till the maturity date. On maturity date, the accrued loyalty additions and guaranteed maturity benefit will be paid to the nominee. Next, maturity benefit. On survival of life insured till the end of the policy term, you will receive lump sum maturity benefit, which shall be guaranteed maturity benefit plus accrued loyalty additions. Next is loyalty additions. It accrues under the policy as a percentage of total premiums paid at the end of each policy year after the premium paying term until maturity, and it is payable at maturity. Next, we shall analyze the advantages and disadvantages of ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. Advantages. All the benefits are guaranteed. Loyalty additions accrues each year from the end of premium paying term. Premium waiver benefit is an inbuilt option under the joint life cover option. For added protection, you can enhance your risk coverage by adding rider at a nominal extra cost. You are eligible to take a loan if policy occurs surrender value. The minimum is rupees 5,000 and the maximum is 80% of the applicable surrender value. Disadvantages of ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. Though you get assured benefits, the return is meager. The sum assured is low to cover the basic needs of the family. The lock-in period is 2 years for surrendering or getting a loan. The return component under ABSLI Assured Savings Plan is neither linked to the market nor it participates in the company's profit, that is non-linked and non-participating. So the benefits are assured. These assured benefits including loyalty additions which are payable only at maturity. Let us calculate what would be the returns under the ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. The internal rate of return is calculated for a quote taken from the ABSLI portal. A 35-year-old male invests in ABSLI Assured Savings Plan and chooses the following at inception. Premium paying term 10 years, policy term 16 years, premium payment mode annual, and the annualized premium is rupees 1 lakh. If he pays the premium regularly for the first 10 years, he would be receiving a maturity benefit of 25.92 lakhs at the end of 20 years. The IRR for the given cash flow is 6.23%. Any long-term investment should fetch higher returns compared to the inflation rate, and also the liquidity is not favorable as you have to wait for the full policy term to get the benefits. Though the investment is long, the return is not appropriate. ABSLI Assured Savings Plan will not be beneficial for those who are looking for long-term investment that fetch better returns. In the previous segment, the standalone return of ABSLI Assured Savings Plan is calculated. The plan is not satisfactory for various reasons. So let us find out what are the other options to get life cover for the same sum assured and to invest for the life goals. For life cover, a pure term policy will be affordable. For a sum assured of 12.5 lakhs, the premium would be around 10,800. The policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 10 years. In the earlier case, for the same metrics, the annual premium is 1 lakh. Here you are left with 89,200 after the premium payment. This could be invested in wealth accumulation. For investment, debt or equity that suits your risk profile holds the best. Here we have taken both to showcase the return under each scenario. Debt investment PPF, it has a lock-in period of 15 years with a minimum contribution. The premium paying period in the illustration is 10 years. So adjustments were made in the next 5 years. A minimum contribution of 500 is adjusted in the 10th year contribution. Next is equity investment ELSS. They are subject to capital gains tax only at the time of redemption. So post-tax value is taken for IRR calculation. ELSS tax calculation is given here for your reference. The term insurance plus PPF combo earns an IRR of 6.34% and term insurance plus ELSS combo earns an IRR of 10.64%. The corpus accumulated in these investments will aid you in fulfilling your dreams. Here is our final verdict on ABSLI Assured Savings Plan. As the name suggests, the ABSLI Assured Savings Plan ensures a guaranteed or assured benefit. Usually, anyone who is risk averse will look for assured returns. But this assured returns will not be beneficial down the lane as the expenses are increasing at rocket speed. The assured benefits under ABSLI Assured Plan are not appealing for an investor due to the following reasons. The sum assured is too low, liquidity is missing, the return is not able to beat the inflation. Pure term insurance policy offers high coverage with affordable premiums, and you can build a separate investment portfolio for your life goals. Have you ever wondered why insurance agents try to push you into buying these types of policies? Simple, just for high agent commission that they get for selling you this plan. The takeaway from today's analysis is insurance cum investment products will not be beneficial for any investor. A detailed blog post on ABSLI Assured Savings Plan is available in our website. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.